So here we have the Raumati Village Community Garden. And yes, you are watching Gardener Gone Wild. So this is the before the work happens video. Because we're about to do some work on this garden. And yeah, thought I'd just get a little before and sort of have a little chat about what we're going to do, about how we're going to move soil from the trailer into the gardenia beds, and possibly move some of the stuff from these compostios as well into there. We'll see though. We have our broad beans coming along quite well at the back, and of course it's a middle of winter. It's July, nearly August in the southern hemisphere, or is it August currently? I'm not sure. Probably is late July, probably is early August, somewhere around there. And yes, we have the broad beans, got some little mustards sprouting up along with pockets of coriander and some big mustards as well, and a little rogue silver beety chardy rainbowy thing. So yeah, that more or less sums up what we've got. So yes, where was I? Yes, the broad beans and all of that. So, and that's more or less what we have. So stay tuned and see the transformation in a moment. And yes, there are no leaves on this ginkgo tree, but there are grapefruits on the grapefruit tree. And not a lot is happening in this corner. The broad bean, Visa faba, everyone's favourite winter growing legume, or at least winter growing in this part of the world. As you can see, it has white flowers, and the buds are clearly edible-ish. But you don't want to be going and chomping on the whole fully grown thing, because it does have its own interesting toxins of sort, but yet again, broader bean shoots, those are fine. And of course, broader beans are known as broader beans because of their broad beans. And yes, those are a very nice tasty crop. And while you're growing those, you are growing the amount of nitrogen held within the plant that can then be released into the soil once the crop is over. So yes, thank you for listening to this broad bean advertisement, and consider broad beans as a part of your planting efforts today. And now you are looking at me, Gardener Gone Wild, and the results are in the garden transformation. As you see, the broad beans are basically the same as they were in the advertisement. The compost looks like it's lost some weight, but the other one looks just as fat. And we have soil! Soil! Everyone's favourite stuff! Woo! It's all in the garden beds. Dug-a-dug. Everyone's favourite compost. And it's from Notahunga Landscaping, which is a localish place in the area. And we can plant some things in here soon. And yes, we might actually get some seedlings in here soon. That is the plan. So you might be wondering, what's this funny little empty patch over here? And that is coriander. And if you've been keeping an eye on this garden, you might know that coriander is one of the things that seems to grow the best here. And it all started with the amazing soil, this rather dry looking stuff here, that we got from Common Property, the place where the common sense organic seedlings are growing. And yeah, it came with lots of coriander, yellow rainbow shards, some beetroot, and the mustards, which of course, the purple ones, which I have planted over here. And of course I've planted plenty of coriander, just to make sure the coriander's okay, because we don't want the coriander disappearing. So yes, we've obviously replenished the soil, taken some compost from the compost beds, and I need to stop saying really bad accents. So yeah, I believe that's the garden report for now. And let's just admire this grapefruit tree. Isn't it nice? Who doesn't like grapefruits? Well, I guess some people have medication, which means they can't consume them, might not necessarily like them. That I understand. Anyway, that was the difference in the garden. This was Gardener Gone Wild, and thank you for watching. Don't forget, please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And that's all for now. Greetings, Productions! Just in case you don't have enough footage with my funky face in it. Productions. You have to watch this, but hopefully not the rest of the viewers. Arroo! Ooh, what am I doing now?